my pile of junk, my old pile of junk. Here it is, my old pile of junk. Take a look and tell me what you see. Here lies the secret to over unity. What's good? Lotto King in the building. Let's check this out. What I'm gonna show y'all, it's kind of, you know what I'm saying, strange, but that's how we do in the hood. Let's see here. Take a look at my multimeter. Let me, how you say, show you. What is this? Okay, that says 18 volts right there. What's the other one say? I got another little, oh, that's 18 volts too. Okay. Now, let's clear these out. Put it on amps. Clear it out real quick. This one the same way. Okay. Now, what do we have in these bad boys now? Okay, 0.42 there. 0.63 there. I got it on the 20 volt setting. So, just to show you. 0.6 of a volt there. A half a volt there. So, let's leave it right there. Let's not go all into detail with that. Now, if you see right there at my buck converter, I have 10 volts right there. It's going to go up to about 11 volts when I turn. Now, what this is over here, now I'm trying to keep everything so you can see everything, and I have to move my multimeter when I turn this on because it's going to interfere with it. So, 10, basically 11 volts going in. Let's hit OK on that. Now, as you see here, this is wireless. There's no wires connected at all. Okay. Now we see me just clear it out. I got about a volt. I got I got a couple capacitors there with what, 2 there, 1 there, 2 there. And you've seen it was about a volt. Okay, let's rock with this. That's it. I'm trying to hold this as close as possible without messing anything up. Alright, we're gonna give it 30 seconds right here at about 11 volts. Count with me now. 6. Now I don't have no on-off switch here yet. This is a prototype, so bear with me. I gotta hold it to turn it on. I move my hand and stuff. I'm just holding it with my other hand to make sure it's on. Okay, about 30 seconds, right? Turn that off so it won't interfere with my multimeter. That way you know it's actually the wireless. The wireless what? This is wireless. Okay, let's see. The wireless. He's a funny guy. Okay. Okay, so the wireless generator. Oh yeah. 8 volts over there. That you see me cleared out to half a volt. Let's see. 9 volts over there, baby. Okay, so what this is, how you say, my BOOB 2 wireless over unity generator. I make it up now. It sounds good, so I stick with it. Okay, BOOB 2 wireless over unity generator. Now, I'm pumping 11 volts I only have 9 volts here, right? And 8 volts there. So now I show you, oh, I cleared that one out, shit. Okay, well, I got 3.7 volts over there, I hit it. Okay, so now I show you why I say over unity. Now look, still 10 volts, right? Move this out the way. Turn it back on. Bam. Now let's put this, hold this back in front of there like I had it. Turn that bad boy on. I don't even need to hold it if I can find something to put it on. Got a whole pile of junk with not one stand in the midst. Sucks. It sucks, okay? Haha. Let me find something. I'll stand it on something. Okay, let's count 20 more seconds. If I can hold it steady. Come on. Now, next video I'm gonna have an on-off switch on this bad boy so I don't have to hold it. Every time you see that orange light come on, it's getting stuck. Okay, let's check it now. Okay, I can't wait. Okay, let's see. This is why I say over unity wireless generator should be. Let's see. I forgot to. I don't think it worked. Let's see. But this one drained out. Let's see where it rolls back up to. Oh yeah, 13.90. This is why I say wireless over unity generator. Okay, so let's see this one. 14.30. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time, guys, just so you can see it's no joke. Okay, 20 more seconds. Okay. Still at 10 volts. Oh, come on. Okay, so we got about a minute of steady actual runtime without it cutting off in here. Let's see what we got here. You could see? You could see. Okay. Multimeter back in place. Okay, let's see what we have here, my friends. You're my friend, right? You like this 19 volts right there. What's this one? 18 volt. Oh man, this is beautiful. Yep, 19 volts there. Okay. So 2 volts shy of 40 volts from 10 volts. Wirelessly. 2 volts shy of 40 volts. About a minute of runtime, actual on time. Kept cutting off on me. I was trying to hold it in position to keep it on. wirelessly. 40 volts, 1 minute from 11 volts. Shall I just charge them all the way up? These two right here aren't going to charge up no more than, I think, what, 25 volts? I don't know what these are. Let's try one. Y'all want to see one more time so you can see it go over 19? Okay, we'll do it. Let's look again. Let's make sure it ain't rise and fall. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no gimmick. It ain't no trick. 19 volts. 1891, 19 volts. Bam. One more time. One more time for y'all. BOOB tube over Unity wireless generator. DC generator. DC wireless generator over Unity. Okay, here we go. You ready? You see where I put it? I put it. Look, I hold it with 2 fingers so you don't think it's nothing. I'm just holding it, right? Because I don't have no stand here. Oh, you see it in operation now because I move my hand. Yeah, you know when it comes on. You can see it now because it's nice and charged up. Oh yeah, so now you can see me. See how far it goes? You see how far it reaches? This is wireless, baby. This is wireless. This is way over here. I'm just holding it close so it can charge quicker, that's all. It can charge from back here. Yes, wireless BOOB tube over Unity. Say it with me now. Over Unity generator. Wireless. I want to make new friends, so I show you my secrets. You like my secrets? You my friend now? Okay, we friends. I know you like it. I see you smile. I make a funny. Just trying to kill some time with some humor, cuz. Okay, so now you see what I was going through. You see I was cutting off and on? Cause I don't have it set up. It's a prototype, man. Prototype. You know what I'm saying? So this is why I'm struggling like this. But you see I move it. Oh, I can't hold it still. See, it still comes on. Way over here, so you know. It's no joke, no fluke. I don't need to hold it that way. I could hold it like this. I like it like that. See? It's still on. Prototype. Wireless. Okay, let me stop playing. Let's check it. Turn that off. I don't want to interfere, so it must go off. I don't want it to happen. It's wireless, so it goes through these. Okay, so let's check it out. Could y'all see? Yes, let's check it out. Let's see if we got over 20 volts each here. I'll say about 2 minutes. I'm messing around, but hey. Oh, hold up. Make sure this is working proper. Put it over. It won't register. Shit. Oh, I got it on hold. I hate that hold button. I hate it. Okay, see? 20.5. What's this one? 20.8. So 40 volts. The small capacitors, they're going over 25 volts, so I'm not even going to push it no more. They're only 25 volt capacitors. That's it. When I set it up with some bigger ones, there's more power, then I'll go over that right now. But then I'll go over it later. But you see, I have here. Would you like to know what this is? I can tell you. Are you my friend? If you're my friend, I tell you. If you're not my friend, you can kiss ass. I don't care. Okay, you my friend. Okay. So what this is 2 capacitors on this side. Basically 2 capacitors on this side. It's just that all these capacitors were already wired together, so I just used them as one capacitor. Then I got the big one over there. So this is 2 capacitors, 2 capacitors, 2 diodes, 2 diodes. Basically 2 voltage multipliers right there. Bam. And then a coil. That's all. So coil double wound. I got one wire, positive and negative on these capacitors going through the diodes, one wire positive and negative on these capacitors going through the diodes. And this light is connected to this one. And the only reason I have it there is so I could see how bright, like how the wireless connection is. So it tells me like where to place this at to get a better connection. I don't need the LED at all. No LED, just through the air wirelessly. So that's it. There's nothing else to explain to you, my friend. Oh, I know what you want to know. You want to know about my magic box. No, my friend. I can't tell you the secret of my magic box. It's too much. I already gave it to you. I said it. BOOB tube. Wireless over unity generator. That is the name. See, BOOB tube. You know, old BOOB tube. You remember watching BOOB tubes. That's all it is. All it is a magnet and a spark gap in the middle. That's all, my friend. It's no big thing. I just have the brains. That's all. I have the brains to unlock the resonance. You must unlock the resonance. This is the key to unlocking the resonance. DC. Wireless transfer over the top unity, over the top 4 times unity. This little thing. Imagine a big thing. Oh my, yeah, you see, little, 40 volts, 11 volts. Hey, Lotto King, baby. That's how we do in the hood. Get your game up. Get your game up, Keshi. Get your game up, Bendini. Gerard, you my boy. I can't say nothing about you. Holla at your boy, Lotto King. I'll be back.